This is the culmination of the API series. This does some really cool stuff. I pulled some of this code from the geekforgeeks.org here, and you can take a look at that if you want to see how much I pulled from there. Basically, this stuff here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and create a web page, and then use data from a API call to populate that web page, and then put hot links on that page that pull up other data from that same API call. So it's only 4 files, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so here's our default HTML page. If you know HTML, you know we have the head, we have the title. The title is going to be title. And then we have the body section, and then we say, welcome to GFG. Again, Greek for Greeks is where that's coming from. And default code's been loaded into the editor, and then body, and that's it. And then we write that out, and we're done. And so we run that, and there we go. And if we go to the right page, it will be sitting there waiting for us to run. And let's see, it should be right there. And sure enough, there is the file that's created. Woo! Alright, so we close out, we go to the Web 2 page. Same thing, we're going to bring in the web browser, and we're going to open that just to show we can do it from inside Pandas. And there it is again. We all know how to pull data from random user. We're going to take that data and we're going to write it into, so this is the stuff in the web page. We now have some Python that is going to put into the template the information from here, and we're going to see that on the page. We're going to put the first names on the page. So we run that, and sure enough, there are the first names from the API call we made. So same as we did before, we go to random user, we pull out the first names, and then we add it in here to the HTML that we're building, and then we call it the page. And here's where it gets real cool. We do the exact same thing, but now we do we wrap those files in an A tag, and we also, instead of just pulling out their first name, we pull out the JPEG file that has the random user image in it. So now the A tag will point to, which is the link tag, in HTML will point to the image file. So when we run this, we'll get the web page that has the same thing we did before, but now their names are hot linked. And if we click on it, we get their picture. So as you can see, we have pulled all this information from random user, and we end up with a really cool web page that has information from random user and hot links to other information on random user. So we're not just sticking it on a single page. We have those other pages available to pull from. This